Yes, my question is like, which book do you read?
Education so that we can good a good person and lots of
Should choose a book on the basis of interest, and after that, start reading. And
good evening
good evening,
everyone.
everyone. I am Amal Jamshed.
I'm Rehan.
So today we are here to discuss about some question. So my first question is like, which type of book should we read in starting?
Firstly, if anyone person want to learn any book, they should care some tips. Uh, 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 I am talking about. I want to talk about me. I want to learn any book. Firstly, they should care this thing. If I read some book so that I understand and I want to I want and I make him understood another person and then uh, I will benefit. Then then I read lots of book, but I didn't make him understand another person. Then don't benefit in future. My question is, if any person want to learn, then what what should uh, someone care something? Please tell me about something so that they can learn.
Okay. Like if you are a business, so first of all you should choose a book on the basis of interest, and after that, start reading. And when you read, so you will find lots of sentences, words, new vocabularies, and that time you should write these things and try to speak more and more. So these things you should remember while reading books.
Have you any question?
Yes, my question is that which type of book should we study? Should we read?
Uh, uh, Firstly, they should they should care some tips. If any person want to learn any book, this should care this thing. And any person want to learn. Firstly we should they should choose moral story and kids story and interesting story books so that they can learn easily and they make someone understand and and his and he would benefit himself. And my question is last, if some person has some book but they cannot read on time, lots of person lots of person say I don't have time. Then uh, uh, you would say that person. Please tell some tips and uh, in our society, in our area.
Okay. In my opinion, like everyone has to everyone should read books because reading books have lots of benefits. And like if there is a person who has times but is not reading, so he should start reading and make habit of reading, so that he can be good at speaking and reading.
Uh, Firstly, I would tell you about this thing. Then I would try to speak. Like, if any person want to learn, they should hear some tips. They depend on minds. Which type of prefer books? Which type of book likes depend on mind. But lots of person want to learn moral story, kids, and interesting story. Want to learn, and lots of person lots of person want to learn for higher education, so that we can good a good person, and lots of dream, and we can do easily. And my question is last, uh, uh, any lots of women lots of women should read lots of 24, lots of person read continue 24 hours, but lots of person want to learn, don't want to learn. uh, please tell me about something, how how would we impact in our society, in my area, in my village.
Okay, like if there is a person who read books 24 hours, so it can impact on society good, but lots of people think like if we don't read books continuously, because if we do this, so we can get bored. And lots of it is said that if you read something, like people say he's like a bookworm, so we should read books.
If the person want to learn, then I should do this thing. Thank you for listening to me. So